How's it going, people? How's it going? Today, I just want to show this video about Robert Kiyosaki. All right, check him out on YouTube. I want to share his video. It's not too long because today the price of silver went above $51, and people are not trying to catch. They're not understanding. Okay. Um, These are professionals talking about it. It's not just me. It's not simply just Nick talking crap. Right? This is something real and is real. The people are rich people are talking about it. You want to be successful in life? Listen to the rich people. So hope you enjoy this video and let's get this going.
And so we're going in that direction, since you and I are now the senior citizens of this generation. How are you prepared for it? I mean, or what would you recommend a person prepare for it? If you save the dollar, America is printing $2 trillion a year, like Zimbabwe was.
Yeah.
Why would you save the dollar?
It's crazy to save the dollar, but you have to save. It's important to produce more than you consume and save the difference. But what do you save it in? You can't save dollars. They're hot potatoes. It's an IOU nothing on the part of a bankrupt government. So I've used gold and silver as savings vehicles forever. So I bought my first gold at around $40 an ounce, and I've never sold an ounce. So I still have it all, and lots of silver. I hate to advise people to buy gold now, because before it was obviously depressed relative to everything else. Now it seems to me gold is more or less where it should be relative to cars, houses, clothes. I think it could go 10 to 1 from here for different reasons, but not because it's underpriced. But you have to save. The problem is, what do you save in now? It's a tougher situation than people have ever been in before, I think. I think silver is still relatively underpriced. It's going higher.
Yeah. And then what Buffett's been saying, which is a concern that I have, he says the worst thing that's going to hit the boomer generation with their 401ks is inflation.
Yeah.
No matter how much they have in their 401k, and we're spending $2 trillion more than we pull in. They're probably
that's right. I mean, you buy your average stock, and maybe it's yielding 2 or 3%, something like that. Yeah. But the dollar is losing value. You can't believe the government's figures. You can't believe the U.S. government's figures any more than you can believe the Argentine government's figures. The dollar is losing value in real terms in between 5 and 10% per year. So what do you do? I know real estate has always treated you extremely well because it's a real asset. But is real estate getting overpriced too?
You can always find a bargain. You know what I mean? That's what I like about real estate. There's somebody always in the sell mode.
It's true. This is a liquid market.
This is another question I want to ask you, because being in Argentina, this guy Javier Milei, he took the chainsaw. When you saw Trump and Musk get together, was there a glimmer of hope from you?
Listen, I was a huge fan of Doge and what Musk wanted to do. But Doge has basically disappeared. And Trump is spending money like a drunk sailor at this point. So no wonder his relation with Musk is not what it once was.
May I correct you? Drunk sailors spend their own money.
That's a good point. That's a good point.
Keep going.
Well, Doge is the only thing that could save the U.S. government from total and abject bankruptcy and defaulting on all of its obligations, which is going to happen. But the problem is that Argentina had one of the worst economies in the world And the people got totally fed up, and they elected Javier Milei, who said that he wanted to take a chainsaw to everything the government does.
Yeah.
And he did wonderful things. He fired scores of thousands of worthless government employees, uh, cut the budget in many places, but he's made some mistakes. Like he said he was going to abolish the central bank, their equivalent to the Fed in this country. He didn't do it. Big mistake. Uh, he should have defaulted on all of Argentina's foreign debts. Why? That money was all stolen by the previous administration. So he shouldn't. You shouldn't turn the next generation of Argentines, or for that matter, Americans, into serfs paying off debt that was pissed away, quite frankly. So he should have defaulted on that. And now he's borrowing more money from the US government. Well, of course, the US government doesn't have the money either. It's printing up the money. So I don't know. I love Argentina, and it's as a place to hang out. It's one of the best in the world. But I hope Millet doesn't blow it by losing the plot, which is basically taking a chainsaw to the government.
Hello.
All right, people. real quick. Buy silver, people. The price of silver is going. It's just. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what else to say. Check out Rich Dad Poor Dad. Check out his channel. Get yourself educated. He mentioned something about silver, the printing, printing money and all that. The dollar is going down, and the value of silver is going up. Today it hit all-time high. Let me see if I can share this tab. Okay. Today, boom. Today it hit all-time high as 51.13. Let's see if I can bring this a little closer. All right, all-time high as 51.13. That was today. This was let me see, from April. Let me see. From April 7, look what silver has done. Look what silver has done. It has gone all the way to over $50. And if you're not noticing this, you're gonna regret it. You're gonna regret it. All right, let's check out month to date. Look at 2020, February 2020. Since now, it's gone up. Let's check out 2011. 2011 was the last time that silver has gone to that price. Let's put a line right here. Okay. Now, let's put another line. Let me take this off. Let's take that off. Let's put another line right here. Let's put another line right here. Okay. Now, this is the resistance and support levels. Okay. Now, you see, it came down here. It touched this line, went back up, then went down, went back up again, hit the line, and it stayed within here. It stayed in this area here. Then it surpassed this level here. Okay, surpassed it, came back down, hit the line again, and boom, history from here to there. Okay. Let me delete that. I'm telling you, if you're not investing on silver, I don't know what you guys doing. I think it will go down from here. It will go down a little bit, but it probably not too much. It probably go up to here to about $45 around here, around this area here. That's what I'm guessing. Let's go to date. Yep. That is my guess. It will take a little deep little dive down, but it's gonna bounce back up. Okay, I want to take this off. Boom. Delete. 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 All right, I'm not gonna make this video too long. I just want to share that video of Robert Kawasaki, um, because this is, look at it. I'm gonna leave the line there. Oh no, I don't want to do that. Boom. Come on, don't want to do that. Delete. All right, I'm gonna leave this line here for the rest of the time because I believe it's we are gonna be in record time because you can see right here. You take a little dive right here, and then boom, jump right back up again. I'm not a professional. This is not a uh, financial advice, anything like that. I'm not professional at that. I'm just telling you what I'm seeing and why I'm taking action at this. All right. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.